For me, it's travel. It's an easy way to unplug from everything.
My trip to Australia was unlike any trip I've ever gone on. It was my chance at seeing the world solitarily. Wandering down side streets and letting my curiosity guide me. I traveled with no destination, and with each new discovery, I came alive. I was invincible. Traveling alone gave me a new outlook. I was free.
Yo, g'day, mate. Yo, Tim Tams though? Wow.
I was untouchable. I was alive.
I represent the blind person I draw dots.
You know, nothing's guaranteed in life. We're not guaranteed tomorrow. We're not guaranteed to keep our jobs. Friends and family, people get sick. You know, if you're somebody who wants to go out and travel, but you're scared to do it by yourself, trust me, it's gonna change your life. It's gonna be something that you look back on and you're gonna be so glad that you did it.